We're with Deshaun, Byfield, and talk to me about your game today, sir.
My game was very good. Expect to do better. So we're just glad we get the 3 points and we'll go back and come again Wednesday.
Okay. And talk to me about your personal game, the team in itself. How do you feel that this team on a scale of 1 to 10? Do you think that this team can do much better than they did today?
Yeah, we can do more than better. Because as coach tell we just come out here and set the psychological tone, be our brother's keeper, and everything will be fine.
Okay, and obviously it's a question that I've been asking a lot of the players. I mean, that tough defeat against Hydel, that 4-0. What was the message from your coach, and how did you as a player talk to your teammates and help with going into this game against Calabar?
We never played that much, but we didn't understand that much, and we could have done more better and we could have won. It's just that some of the senior players weren't there. We was using a lot of Coles player, so we are going to hold them again and we are going to kill them.
Obviously, going up against Camperdown next, after this defeating your rivals Calabar 1-0, do you feel that you have the mental toughness and the team is ready to face this Camperdown team going forward?
Yeah, we're more than ready. As me and my team say, we not done great in the school, so when they come, we're going to just do what we have to do and carry them the 3 points.
Well, you heard it there from Mr. Byfield. All the best for the rest of the season, sir.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man, listen.